Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to measure for blinds. Accurate measurements are crucial whether you're installing them yourself or ordering custom blinds. Let's get started. As you might know, accurate measurements are essential for a perfect fit. First, you'll need a steel tape measure, a pencil, and paper. Now let me tell you that there are two types of blind mounts: inside mount blinds and outside mount blinds. We will explain how to measure blinds for both of these methods. Measuring for inside mount blinds width. Measure the inside width at 3 different points: the top, middle, and bottom. Note down the smallest measurement. This ensures the blinds will fit perfectly. Height measurement. Measure in 3 places: left, center, and right. Note down the longest measurement. This ensures your blinds cover the entire window length. Depth measurement. Measure from the front of the frame to the window pane to ensure your chosen blinds will fit properly. Measuring for outside mount blinds. Width measurement. Measure the width you want your blinds to cover. We recommend adding 2 to 3 inches on each side of the window to ensure full coverage. Measure from one edge of the area you want to cover to the other and write it down. Height measurement. Start from the top where you want to mount the blinds. Measure down to the bottom of the window or beyond if you want extra coverage. How to measure for different types of blinds. As you know, there are different types of blinds, so we will explain measuring for specific types of blinds. Vertical blinds measure the width and height of the window, as you would for outside mount blinds. Additionally, measure the length from the top of the window to the floor. Roller blinds. The process is the same as for other blinds. Pay special attention to the mounting brackets. Measure the width from bracket to bracket. Add 2 to 3 inches to both the width and height to ensure the shades fully cover the window and provide better light blocking. Cellular shades. The measurement process is straightforward. Measure the inside width and height if you're doing an inside mount, or the full width and height for an outside mount. Ensure the depth of the window frame is sufficient for inside mounts. We hope this video makes measuring for blinds easy and stress-free. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy measuring.